Hello class. I'd like to introduce you to module number 4. So now that we're in the 4th week of our semester, you're going to continue to expand on your annotated bibliography. And then you'll be using all the information you compile in that bibliography to draft your first draft of the research paper. So there are a couple assignments for us to complete this week. We have a discussion board. We have 2 assignments, then quiz number 4, and then this week, because it's the 4th week of the class, we have a midterm reflective letter, and that's time for you to look back at what we've accomplished so far. So, first thing is the discussion board. The discussion board, your original post is due by Tuesday at the end of the day, and then your response to 2 other classmates is due by Thursday at the end of the day. So in discussion 4.1, you're going to tell us about, what you learned about your topic while doing your research. So now that you've worked on your annotated bibliography, what insights have you gained into your topic? Make sure you tell us about that. And then there are 2 assignments. There's assignment 4.1 and assignment 4.2. So both assignments require you to have 2 new sources. And then, just like with the other annotated bibliography, for each of those sources, you want to write 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph summarizes the information that you will use from that source, and then the second paragraph states how you will use that information. Or is it to support your hypothesis? Is it to give the perspective of the opposite point of view? You want to specify how you plan to use that information and how that information is going to support your thesis. Now, for assignment 4.1, you are going to look for sources that contain the opposing point of view, sources that are in opposition to your hypothesis. Then, in assignment 4.2, those 2 sources that you will be citing will go deeper into your topic. Maybe it contains a little more specific information, a little more in-depth into a certain area, whether it's medical or legal or political or whatnot. You want to go more in-depth with your topic and get more information there. So take a look also at the parts of the paper. That is our reading for this week. In the parts of the paper, you'll need that to complete quiz number 4. And it'll help you work out the different sections of your paper, like the introduction, the thesis statement, the body paragraphs with evidence to support your thesis, and then, of course, the conclusion. Lastly, as I said before, because this is the 4th week of the course, I'm asking you to please complete the midterm reflective letter. And this is important because it gives you the opportunity to look back at what you've done so far and to reflect on your progress and see how much you've learned. You want to write this in the form of a letter. So there's a list of several numbered points that you want to address, and you want to put it all in the form of a letter to me. So, by now, you should have familiarized yourself with the library's resources and also with the resources on Google Scholar. If you have trouble finding any more sources, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be more than happy to help. I look forward to, seeing what you have on your annotated bibliographies. I look forward to reading those. And so that's all for now. Please email me with any questions or concerns.